This video is a final requirement for IS 226. Good afternoon, Miss Angeline. My name is Tessa Mavel Madhus and my partner's name is Fernando. Today we're going to present our system called Medicount Online System. It is an online inventory system intended for healthcare with multiple facilities here in the Middle East. With the help of Medicount Online System, easy monitoring and ordering of medications and medical supplies are made possible. The Medicount Online System was successfully created using the Code Igniter will be hosted using a Windows server that supports PHP, and the database used is MySQL. My partner Fernand Lee will be the one to present the main features of the Medicount Online System.
Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Lee. I am the partner of Tessa for this Medicount Online System. I'll be discussing to you the main feature of our system. First, we start with the login screen, and we also provide the user to change the user password. We have here the user management module. This will manage user access to the system. Next is we have the inventory items dashboard. This is the main dashboard where stakeholders can manage items in the inventory. Next is we have the supplier contacts. This will list all the suppliers and their contact information. We have here the main module, which is the item request. Then we have here the purchase request. Users will use this form to request items to the purchasing officer. Then we have the purchase orders. The purchasing officer will use this form to communicate and purchase order to the supplier. And then we have here the receive orders. The receiving officer will use this form to receive and verify orders from the suppliers. So basically, the transaction flows from the item request, and then once it is released, it will subtract the quantity from the inventory dashboard. And then once you purchase a request, and then you process the order, and then it will be delivered and received, then it will also add an item to the inventory. So that's basically the workflow of our system. So I'll be showing to you the actual demo of our system. It will start with the login screen, and then once you log in, it will show the main menu of our system. Here, basically the flow is starts with the creation of a request. So the user can create a request and then add items, then provide the quantity. Once the request has been released, the system will automatically subtract the items. So once the supplier delivers the item, we will use the receiving or the receive order module to receive the item. So once it is received, the system will automatically add the item to the inventory list. So these are the list of the bugs or features that we need to improve in the future releases. First is we need to have system security and accounts management improved. Second one is the error handling. Currently there's no error handling. And then we also need alerts and notification when there. Conclusion, benefits to the healthcare facilities. Well, there's a lot of benefits for the healthcare facilities. We designed this system specifically for the hospitals. User convenience, of course, this is an online system. So especially if you're a mobile user, you can use your mobile phone, you can use your tablets to access the system. Real-time data collection. This is very useful, especially if you are monitoring. We all know inventory is a huge system, especially for the healthcare, because there are some medicines that are critical medicines. So for you to improve your caring of your patients, the supply of medicine should be enough. No? Okay, that's it, and thank you very much for having us, and have a good day to all.